Hi everyone, Renée Morris here, certified Quantum-Touch Practitioner and Quantum-Touch Ambassador. I'm very excited to be here with you today to open this parcel. And this is the new Quantum-Touch Becoming Ageless Energy Healing Pendant that I received in the mail, and I wanted to open it on video as a recording to share with you my experience seeing the pendant for the first time. I've seen it online. I actually saw a prototype of it when it was in the process of being made. This concept of becoming ageless, and then there's new quantum touch techniques for becoming ageless, has fascinated me and really resonates with me in a way that I just have to say I'm very excited about it. In my own practice, in my own experience, even though I don't yet know the Becoming Ageless techniques, I haven't taken the Becoming Ageless workshop myself, but I have seen my clients just through the regular quantum touch session seem to age backwards. I've had clients remark after their sessions. I remember one lady in particular, she got up and looked at herself in the mirror quite by accident. She was walking in her hallway and there was a mirror there, and she was shocked because she said I look younger. I've seen it in myself, the changes in my own self, how my skin can look more vibrant, how my eyes can look more vibrant, and overall I feel more vibrant. I feel younger when I'm practicing quantum touch regularly and really bringing that life force energy in. So I'm very excited about this whole theme and to see where it's going to go with quantum touch. And I also believe in the healing powers of life force energy. I've seen it in my practice. And I love the concept of slowing, stopping, and reversing aging as well. I mean, do we really have to age? So I'm very excited about this Quantum Touch pendant, and this is part of the Quantum Touch products that are available in the Quantum Touch store. They're energy healing products, so they don't replace energy healing sessions, but they can support you in your healing, in your self-healing. And they're all based on one of the major discoveries that Quantum Touch founder Richard Gordon made, which is that consciousness can be infused into objects. Now, what does that mean in kind of regular people terms? Our consciousness, our intentions, our thoughts, and so on can actually be infused into objects. And Richard Gordon published a book where he had dozens of experiments showing that this is possible. It's called The Secret Nature of Matter. So Quantum Touch offers products that have been charged with the Quantum Touch energy by Richard Gordon and the Quantum Touch faculty and some of the instructors and practitioners. And you can purchase these online. The testimonials are amazing. Some people even remark how they can feel the power of the item even when they open it, and that it helps them to feel better. It helps them in their healing journey. Some people use the pendants with their pets as well, and or for their loved ones. They make great gifts too. And so I'm very, very thrilled to have this today. I don't have the original pendant, so this will be my first time with a Quantum Touch pendant, and I wanted to open it with you. I've seen the design and it's beautiful. So here we go. This is like one of those unboxing videos. Very, very excited. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Look how gorgeous that is. I really love the Quantum Touch logo also. I thought they did a phenomenal job on that design. Look at that metallic gold. Beautiful. What a gorgeous box. I think I will keep it. And it says Becoming Ageless. That is really beautiful. So it opens like this. It says the Quantum Touch tagline, discover the extraordinary healing power within. Beautiful. It's a card. And then, ooh, so pretty. It says, wow, that's the pendant design. Look how beautiful that is. It gives me a visceral feeling, a blueprint for syntropy. Gorgeous. So pretty. And here we go. A nice little velvet drawstring bag. Oh, I'm excited. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. I got the gold one. There's also a silver one. Can you see the design? It says Quantum Touch on the back. Beautiful. Oh, it's going to be so nice. What a gorgeous design. So how these work is you can wear them. You can wear them, put them on a chain. You can have them in your pocket. You could tap them on different parts of your body. You could have it beside your bed. You know, this one is designed as a pendant. So the idea is that you would wear it as a necklace, which would be stunning. It's a beautiful size too, and very substantial feeling. It has a nice weight to it. I love the design. Very excited to use my Quantum-Touch pendant, Becoming Ageless pendant, both for myself and to help support my clients in their healing journeys as well. And I will post the link below if anybody wants to take a look at the pendants in the Quantum-Touch shop and start your own becoming ageless journey. Imagine if we could all just simply become ageless. Thank you, everyone.